The Samsung Galaxy S21 lineup was just announced. And the Samsung Galaxy S21 line doesn't ship with a power adapter or earbuds inside the box, and now the South Korean brand has explained the reasons for why there is no charger in the Samsung Galaxy S21 lineup box, which I will tell you right now, but please subscribe if you didn't subscribe yet for all the latest tech reviews and news. In a statement made during the Unpacked event, Samsung Senior Vice President of Experience Planning Federico Casalegno stated the following: "We learned that more and more Galaxy users want to make a sustainable choice in their lives for a better future. For instance, many of our users prefer to reuse their current chargers and earphones and to leave the new ones in the box unused. This planet is a home we all share, and we at Samsung are doing our part to leave it better for future generations. With your preferences and planet in mind, we're proposing a way to prevent these unused items from piling up in your drawers. Your S21 device will come with a USB-C cable that's compatible with many of your other devices, and our chargers will remain available for anyone that wants one at a new lower price." To sum the statement up, Samsung has removed the charger and headphones from its flagship smartphone boxes because most Galaxy customers don't need or use new accessories. The move also helps the brand reduce its carbon footprint and e-waste, both of which are serious issues at the moment. Samsung's charger now retails at $19 in the United States. These are both valid points, but it should be noted that Samsung mocked Apple for doing the same thing only 3 months ago. Samsung, which was quick to take a dig at Apple for removing chargers from the iPhone box, now they have done the same. Do let me know your thoughts about this controversial decision in the comment section, as I will see you in the next one.